Welcome to Art Lesson 7, the Grand Assembly and Curation. We will be turning our small pieces into a gallery masterpiece. We are now in the final phase, moving from individual pieces to a large-scale collective artwork. Our mission is to assemble the anime master sequence, with patience, steady hands, and careful alignment. Our Walt is to learn to collaborate as a team to mount, secure, and frame our artwork. The success criteria include collaborative assembly, precise placement, and a professional finish. Phase 1 is the dry fit. First, find your zone based on which letter your piece belongs to. Next, check alignment by laying your pieces on the backing without glue. Finally, take a step back and audit the look and spacing. Phase 2 is the bonding, making it permanent. Apply a strong wood adhesive using a serpentine pattern. Keep the glue away from the edge and press firmly for 30 seconds to remove air pockets. Phase 3 is the framing, structuring the masterpiece. A frame provides structure and signals a finished piece of art. We will apply glue to the pre-cut metal borders and use clamps to secure the metal-to-wood bond while it sets. Finally, we add the artist's signature. Once the glue is set, sign your name neatly on the plywood or the official class plaque. Reflect on what your contribution meant to the whole piece. In summary, we achieved collaboration, precision, and craftsmanship. Our anime installation is now curated and ready for the world. Great job today, artists.